Welcome to our explainer. Today, we're taking a close look at a particular corner of the world, Overton County, Tennessee. We're going to figure out what really makes this place tick.
You hear this phrase a lot when people talk about Overton County, a hidden gem. But what does that actually mean? We're going to look right past that slogan and see what that unique mix of rugged nature and small-town life is all about.
So, what does make this gem shine? We're going to explore all its different facets, from the incredible landscapes to the economic realities and that deep community spirit, to get a real sense of what life is like there.
Okay, first things first. Let's talk about the most brilliant facet, the thing that draws so many people in. It's absolutely incredible natural beauty. I mean, it's right on the edge of the Cumberland Plateau, so this place is a true adventurer's paradise. The landscape here gives you three really different experiences. First, you've got the pristine, just impossibly clear waters of Dale Hollow Lake, a nationally known spot for bass fishing. Then there's Standing Stone State Park. It's a great hub for hiking, but it's also home to the National Rolly Hole Marble Tournament. How cool is that? It's a fascinating event that keeps this really unique, competitive folk tradition alive. And for a more modern community feel, Livingston Central Park is like the county's green heart, with concerts and family events.
And you know, the climate just makes it all better. You get 4 very distinct seasons with these long, vibrant springs and falls that are just perfect for getting out there and exploring those beautiful plateau ridgelines. Of course, natural beauty is one thing, but you have to be able to live there, right? So let's switch gears to the practical side of things and see how it all adds up for your wallet.
Let's just start with the number that makes everyone sit up and pay attention. Housing and utility costs in Overton County are a staggering 41% below the U.S. median. That's a massive difference, the kind that can fundamentally change your daily life and financial freedom.
And adding to that affordability is a huge structural advantage. See, Tennessee has no state income tax on wages. For people who live there, that just means more of their paycheck stays right in their pocket. It's a huge reason why the area is getting more and more attractive for retirees and that new wave of remote workers.
So, where are people working locally? Well, the economy pretty much stands on 3 main pillars: manufacturing, healthcare, and retail. As you can see, these really form the backbone of employment right there inside the county.
And this right here, this reveals the crucial trade-off. That incredible affordability is a huge draw, but the other side of that coin is that there are fewer high-paying professional jobs right inside the county lines. So what happens? A lot of residents commute to the nearby city of Cookeville, which creates this kind of daily dance between that quiet, small-town living and a much wider career landscape.
Okay, so beyond the landscape and the economy, what truly defines a place is its people and its culture. So let's take a look at the character of the community itself.
The county's center of gravity is definitely Livingston's historic town square. It's so much more than just a bunch of buildings. It's a living, breathing cultural hub. It's where local shops, the courthouse, and the farmers market all come together to create this vibrant meeting place that really preserves that classic small-town America feel.
And the culture here? It's deeply shaped by traditional Appalachian values. There's a really strong emphasis on faith and family, and that fosters this genuine sense of neighborliness, that feeling that you really look out for one another. It's a community where these conservative, self-reliant roots run deep and pretty much define how people interact.
The location also provides this really important balance. While Overton County absolutely feels remote and peaceful, it isn't totally isolated. Being so close to Interstate 40 puts you about 90 minutes from the music of Nashville or the city buzz of Knoxville. So you get access to all those urban perks without having to give up the quiet.
So after looking at the landscape, the economy, and the culture, what's the big picture? How do all these different pieces come together?
Life in Overton County really comes down to a deliberate balance between these 3 core things. It's a lifestyle choice, one that prioritizes stunning natural beauty, takes full advantage of incredible affordability, and means becoming part of a strong traditional community.
So at the end of the day, the question isn't just about what Overton County has to offer. It's whether its unique combination of beauty, practicality, and culture lines up with the kind of life you want to build. Every place has its own equation, and for anyone seeking this particular balance, well, it might just be that perfect hidden gem.